എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ ക്ലാസ്സിൻ്റെ 32 ദിവസമാണ്. സ്പീക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സീരീസ് 32. നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം വരെ പറഞ്ഞത് ഓരോ പേഴ്സൺസ് ഉപയോഗിച്ച് എങ്ങനെ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ചോദിക്കാം, ഉത്തരങ്ങൾ പറയാം എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. നമ്മൾ സീത വരെയാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. ഇന്ന് തേർഡ് പേഴ്സൺ പ്ലൂറലായ ദേ സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ആക്കിക്കൊണ്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഉത്തരങ്ങളുമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തെ ചോദ്യം സിമ്പിൾ പ്രസൻറ്റ് ടെൻസ് ആണ്. When do they wake up every day? They wake up at 6 a.m. every day. When do they brush their teeth every day? They brush their teeth at 6:30 a.m. every day. When do they take a bath every day? They take a bath at 7 a.m. every day. When do they have breakfast every day? They have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. every day. When do they read newspaper every day? They read newspaper at 8 a.m. every day. When do they get ready to go to office every day? They get ready to go to office at 8:30 a.m. every day. When do they go to office every day? They go to office at 9 a.m. every day. When do they reach office every day? They reach office at 10 a.m. every day. When do they have lunch every day? They have lunch at 1 p.m. every day. When do they return to office in the afternoon every day? They return to office at 2 p.m. every day. When do they leave office in the evening every day? They leave office in the evening at 5 p.m. every day. When do they reach home every day? They reach home at 6 p.m. every day. When do they watch TV every day? They watch TV at 6:30 p.m. every day. When do they have dinner every day? They have dinner at 8 p.m. every day. When do they go to sleep every day? They go to sleep at 10 p.m. every day. So we have gone through all activities in the simple present tense. Now we are going through simple past tense. When did they wake up yesterday? They woke up at 6 a.m. yesterday. When did they brush their teeth yesterday? They brushed their teeth at 6:30 a.m. yesterday. When did they take a bath yesterday? They took a bath at 7 a.m. yesterday. When did they have breakfast yesterday? They had breakfast at 7:30 a.m. yesterday. When did they read newspaper yesterday? They read newspaper at 8 a.m. yesterday. When did they get ready to go to office yesterday? They got ready to go to office at 8:30 a.m. yesterday. When did they go to office yesterday? They went to office at 9 a.m. yesterday. When did they reach office yesterday? They reached office at 10 a.m. yesterday. When did they have lunch yesterday? They had lunch at 1 p.m. yesterday. When did they return to office in the afternoon yesterday? They returned to office in the afternoon at 2 p.m. yesterday. When did they leave office in the evening yesterday? They left office in the evening at 5 p.m. yesterday. When did they reach home yesterday? They reached home at 6 p.m. yesterday. When did they watch TV yesterday? They watched TV at 6:30 p.m. yesterday. When did they have dinner yesterday? They had dinner at 8 p.m. yesterday. When did they go to bed yesterday? They went to bed at 10 p.m. yesterday. So we have gone through all the activities in the simple past tense. Now we are going through simple future. So the first question is, when will they wake up tomorrow? They will wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. When will they brush their teeth tomorrow? They will brush their teeth at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow. When will they take a bath tomorrow? They will take a bath at 7 a.m. tomorrow. When will they have breakfast tomorrow? They will have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. tomorrow. When will they read newspaper tomorrow? They will read newspaper at 8 a.m. tomorrow. When will when will they get ready to go to office tomorrow? They will get ready to go to office at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. When will they go to office tomorrow? They will go to office at 9 a.m. tomorrow. When will they reach office tomorrow? They will reach office at 10 a.m. tomorrow. When will they have lunch tomorrow? They will have lunch at 1 p.m. tomorrow. When will they return to work in the office in the afternoon tomorrow? They will return to work in the office at 2 p.m. tomorrow. When will they leave office in the evening tomorrow? They will leave office in the evening at 5 p.m. tomorrow. When will they reach home tomorrow? They will reach home at 6 p.m. tomorrow. When will they watch TV tomorrow? They will watch TV at 6:30 p.m. tomorrow. When will they have dinner tomorrow? They will have dinner at 8 p.m. tomorrow. When will they go to bed tomorrow? They will go to bed at 10 p.m. tomorrow. So we have gone through simple present, simple past, and simple future. So today is our 32nd day class, or in other words, speech English 32. So now there are about 32 videos. If we can practice all the 32 videos regularly, that means listening, hearing, and speaking, all these things, we do it continuously, all these days regularly, then we will be able to improve our speech. We will be able to speak better. We will become a good speaker in the long run. So may God bless us to practice all the videos. And I thank God for enabling me to talk to you all this. And I thank Guru also for enabling me to talk to you this. And I thank all of you for listening me. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.